Clean it out. Yeah.
When you blow the plug on a bike, this is what you need. We have a plug kit, we have side cutters, and we have a torch. And we have the recovery vehicle, and we have the flat tire that needs a plug. And this is how we do it. Always use your teeth when trying to move around tools. We're gonna stick this baby right here.
There's the hole.
Oh yeah, just fucking harder. Right there. And then we're gonna pull it out real quick. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna shove this bitch in. We're gonna twist it like a dirty whore that she is. Oh.
Hold the bike, Mike.
So we're gonna have to go in sideways. This might be a big fucking disaster. But who cares, right? You whore! And then you twist, pull that shit out. Next thing we're gonna do, I take the fucking torch here. I'm gonna light this on fire. There we go. We're gonna cook this thing like there's nobody's fucking business. Look at that. Alright, put the money in the machine. We're gonna fucking fill this bitch up like there's no tomorrow.
Here, Mike.
And then we're probably gonna find other holes and other fucking problems. Alright, take the end of this, mash that shit down. Take the side cut. Actually, we should use the side cutters first. Cut that bitch right. Ah, no, it doesn't work. Fuck, it's shitty side cutters, American made side cutters. Fucking channel locks. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, this is not working too well. Put the money in, let's go! Hurry up, we got places to be. Oh God. Alright, remind anyone not to take advice from me ever. Oh, there we go. Alright, we've cut it. Burn it a little bit more. Alright. Michael's gonna now fill it up. Here. Now that's 42 PSI cold. Let's see what we can do about this bitch. Oh yeah, and she's holding. Look at that, and the bike is lifting up. I hear a leak. You hear a leak?
Game over, guys.
Oh.